Do you have a beloved quilt that needs repair? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it for easy, difficult, and creative patches. I wanted to fix this quilt for my quilt coat project, which you can see here. For easy fixes, just press and sew. Use the straight stitch and the needle in the left position. And for these fixes, I'm using leftover material from a dress that I wore on a lot of adventures. I press it, I cut a square to match the missing piece, fold and press the edges in to form a square.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
And be careful because the fabric will be very hot at this point. I just have really tough fingers. Press it into place and sew it on. For this patch, I wanted to mix the patterns for a textured boho inspired look. For these two patches, I wanted a clean look. And I cut a square to match the patch that I want to replace. And then I press it into a perfect square, pin it in place, and carefully sew around the edge.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
If you don't want to see the stitches on the back, then carefully hand stitch around the patch like this, only grabbing one layer with your needle. If you use this, I'd love to hear about your project in the comments. Please subscribe and like for more do-it-yourself projects.